I'm Jason, the world is yours, and this is an Amazon unboxing. So we got two packages that just came in, I believe, yesterday. Let's start with the small box real quick. Okay, as you can see, we picked up a few pairs of sunglasses here. We got the red ones, and then we got some blue ones, and you should take them out of the package, right? So you really see what they look like. Like that. Okay, I believe these sunglasses were about, I think like it's $6.99 each, right? You can see cool color right here, a nice red reflection. It's still about 90 degrees here in Las Vegas, so I'm still wearing sunglasses. It's really hot. I think next week it's supposed to be like 98 degrees, so it's still pretty hot here in Las Vegas. So sunglasses are definitely welcome. You can see we picked up two pair. Let me know which pair you would prefer. Okay, let's throw these glasses out of here. And then we got a nice little package here. Let's get with everything. There we go. Okay, looks like we picked up some basketball shorts, right? Like I said, it's still pretty hot out here, so I've been playing basketball pretty late in the night after I get off of work. I like to go to the basketball courts and still throw up some basketball because, like I said, it's still pretty hot out here. But playing basketball around 10 or 11 p.m. at night in Las Vegas is a cool vibe. So I picked up these shorts. These shorts, I can't remember the price of these. I don't know if there's a price on them, but they're pretty cool, large basketball shorts. I'm pretty sure they weren't too expensive, right? Yeah, it doesn't say the price on them, but cool basketball shorts, right? I believe they have pockets also, right? That's not that I'm gonna have anything in my pockets when I'm playing basketball, but it's helpful. Throwing a little a rag to, you know, keep the sweat off of you. But yeah, let me know your opinion of this Amazon unboxing. Picked up two pairs of sunglasses real quick, right? And we picked up some basketball shorts. I'm Jason, the world is yours. Today we had a Amazon unboxing. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.